Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how you can easily share and collaborate on Google Sites. Now before starting, if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sites, you're a beginner or even if you're a first timer in using this software, do not worry because I got you covered as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. If you're interested in watching, we actually have a dedicated video that covers all the basic features and functions of this software, so you guys might want to check it out on our YouTube channel right over here. So this is our username. You can also click on our channel on this video that you are watching. Now, just to give us a bit of a background, Google Site is a free web-based tool that is used to create websites and is ideal for both professional and personal use. So that is right, guys. You do not need to download anything nor pay for anything, and everything can be accessible via your web browser. Now, let us get started. As you can see right now, I have here a Google Sites file. And yes, that is right. This is also a collaborative feature of one of the Google softwares. Now, as you can see in our previous video, we already discussed about the collaborative feature of other Google softwares. And one good thing or one key feature that I would like to highlight when it comes to using Google Workspace softwares is that all of them is collaborative, meaning that you can share it with your group mates, your members, and then you can collaborate with them, edit your document live. They can see your changes live. They can comment, they can suggest, and everything that you can think of basically when it comes to collaboration with your team. Now, it can be a bit confusing because for other Google softwares, you have the share icon right over here. But as you can see in this case on Google Sites, it has the publish icon, so you don't want to click on that accidentally if you're still not satisfied with your website. Now, if you want to publish, we actually have a specific tutorial for that. Now, if you want to share it with others and collaborate with them, all you have to do is to click on this button instead. As you can see, we have the share with others button. And if I click on it, as you can see right here, you got the people with access. Now, as of the moment, I only have myself as the one that has access to this website. But if I want others to have access on this website, I will type in their email address right over here, like so. And I can change their permission if they will be a published viewer only, meaning that they cannot make any changes on my website, or an editor, in which basically everything that I can do on my website, like edit the font formatting, change the header type, and everything else, they can do it as well. So if I'm satisfied with this, you can put a message here notifying them that they are an editor as well. You can click on send and wait for it to load, and now you have successfully sent the invitation to collaborate with this software. Now, another thing that you can do is changing this general access of the draft from restricted to anyone with the link. This way, you do not need to type their emails one by one, meaning that anyone on the internet that has the link of this website can edit on this website as well. So as you can see right here, if you're using Google Sites, you can actually you cannot change their permission, just like if you want to change the permission manually with the people in which you're going to send an email to. Now, when it comes to the general access for the draft, if you set it to anyone with the link, you cannot set their permission. It will automatically be locked to the editor. So if you send in the link of this website, anyone that has the link can make changes and edit your website as well. Now, if you're satisfied with this, you can basically just copy the link of your website and give it to them, and that's pretty much it. That's how you can easily share and collaborate with them. They can make changes. You will see their changes right over here. You can make changes as well, and they're gonna see your changes live as they monitor your website as well. Now, as simple as that, you can easily share and collaborate with them here in Google Sites. Now, if you did learn something in this video, please consider subscribing, dropping a like, and hitting that notification bell, and leaving a comment down below in which you would like to see from us next. I'll take it from here, guys. Thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.